I lead compliance at a top 50 U.S. bank with over $40 billion in assets. Our team was stretched thin. We trained our L1 analysts for 3 months, and they left in 4. Outsourcing didn't help.
Your call is important to us. You are number 27 in line.
And the alerts, they just kept piling up. Alerts, alerts about alerts, alerts you didn't know existed.
I'm an OFAC officer, and somehow I became an L1 analyst again, clearing alerts just to keep payments moving. That's when I knew we needed a better approach.
We weren't looking to rebuild anything from scratch. We needed something that worked with the systems we already had. And documentation that made our regulators smile, or at least not frown. So we brought in Tara, an AI agent from WorkFusion with years of experience doing this work.
Tara came in already fluent in our systems and policies. Now, when an alert comes in, Tara checks it like an analyst. She reads the message, sifts through the data, and if it's a false positive, she clears it and explains why. Tara filters out the noise of false positives, so we can zero in on actual risk. Morale is up, and I'm back to my core OFAC duties.
Tara paid for herself in 3 months. That ROI is now funding even more AI agents, helping us increase capacity, stay compliant, and keep risk at bay. WorkFusion is helping us scale, not just compliance, but the whole bank.